Hi friends, let me show you these water faucet protectors that I received for reviewing purposes. They come packed like vacuum airless, so they are really easy to handle. And when you are going to use them, well, you want to open the package, let the air get in, and you get 2 units, okay? Each of them are about 6 by 8.2, 8.5 inches. And you will put them in the faucets like this, so the faucets won't freeze in the winter, and they will be easy to use because they won't have ice or snow on top of them, okay? So let's try them. These protectors are aimed for cold weather, for places where you get snow or freezing temperatures, and sometimes you have the problem that your water faucet freezes itself, or it's really difficult to use because of the cold weather, okay? So really easily, you just have to protect your water faucet with this kind of glove and close it like this, okay? That's it. The water faucet will be protected against the weather. Snow, rain, and freezing temperature will be kept outside. And whenever you need your faucet, your water, you just have to take the glove or the protector off and your faucet will be ready to use. So I think they are really convenient for cold weather. Thank you.